Time to clean the dehumidifier filter. Quick and easy, no tools required. Filter right behind here. And all you have to do is pull this out and pull down the filter. Error message shows up after I start my dehumidifier. And it also reads clean filter. Time to clean the filter, Bill. Quick and easy. This one happens to be a Frigidaire, but so many of them are alike. You just pull out the water bucket and up inside, reach in and pull down the filter. Quick and easy. As you see, it's a little bit dirty. More than a little bit. So we're just going to take that up and wash it, slide it back in, quick and easy. Okay, we brought the filter up. As you can see, there's a little bit of crud on it, probably more than a little bit. So we're just going to take it, lay it in the sink, and get some crud cutter disinfectant. Spray that sucker and let it soak a little bit. Okay, we're going to turn on a little warm water. Stuff just kind of rinses away. I left it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, I washed it, rinsed it, I sprayed it with a little crud cutter or any cleaner you might have, Lysol or disinfectant, something. It's great. Rinsed it and wiped it with a paper towel. We're all set to go. Much better than what it was. Okay, filter's all done and cleaned, dried. Bring it back down. Mine's marked front, so all you have to do is have that face shoe, slide it back up, in, put your water bucket back in, to wipe everything down, plug her back in, filter reset, off, and you're all set to go. Quick and easy. Cleaning the filter on your Frigidaire and most dehumidifiers, home dehumidifiers.